an informative video about business video marketing strategies.
Hey, hi everybody, Christos Margetis here. I hope you're nice, directly from Nuremberg again, and always Germany. And we are in the heart of Nuremberg on Hauptmarkt, in the central market, as we say. Because we are in Nuremberg, I would like to show you, and after a big discussion that we had, I would like to show you how you can take the best hotel and to bring them up in 24 hours or even something earlier. The earlier is going to be a big surprise. We're going to make just a reference. It was like a beautiful bet, as we say, that we have to prove to people how video marketing can be amazing for your business, if it is hotel business, if it is any business in HoReCa, or no matter what it is, and it has to do with a local search via Google, and after the new rules of Penguin 2.0. So, just in order to show you the central part of the cathedral over here, on my backside is written 8:15 in the afternoon. That's going to be another test. We have a lot of results. It's nice to put your name and your email address down so that you can follow together with us and you receive news directly by social media ORM, and we can show you exactly how this test is going to go. So, let's go to see, and we see you inside.
So here we are. As we can see on my screen, the time in Nuremberg, just to be precise with the people and to know that we don't play on the timing. Already Google says to us what time it is. It is 8:42 and we can see the world 8:44. And we can go to type here Nuremberg. And go. And we can see in front of us the exact timing as it is monitored. So we start by now our beautiful video broadcasting that we prepared for you. We go to explain to you what it is video marketing in reality. We are going to show you how you can achieve on a Google local search with a video of with a tremendous power of video marketing, and also remarketing and retargeting to succeed taking the best rankings worldwide, rankings there to stay, and at the same moment it is not by fun to show you some results, what can happen after this video. We type best bar in Greece at this moment. You will see that we have 82,500,000 results. Best bar cafe in Pythagorio, corner bar, 72 years business, here with the whole team. It's one of the concepts of us. A little bit more down you can see also their Facebook page. And really, if you make different changes and we say best bar Greece, here we have 141 million results. So we have this video from the 3rd of July 2011 there to stay, and as you see, this is a big part of the power of internet marketing, and especially video marketing for specific local businesses, and after the Penguin 2.0 worldwide. So, our current local time again, it is 2:47:09, and we start the broadcasting and the ranking process. Thank you, my friends. See you inside. Please leave your name and your email address down in order to give you updated about some other stunning videos that we prepared for you.
Hi everybody.
I hope you have a great day. Today is the 15th of June, Saturday 2013, and 24 hours after, we promised you that we will bring some gorgeous results on top rankings all over the world. Especially we had been very interested about Canada, but even worldwide. Now, we will have the opportunity to show you what we achieved within 24 hours, which is going to be great, and we will have also the opportunity to explain you further after how we manage really to achieve such good rankings, but by using the most proper techniques, the most amazing content, and so forth. So, okay, let me tell you some very serious things that are happening out there regarding internet and video marketing. The internet has changed the way people travel and book hotels. For example, half of all people who research hotels do so exclusively online. And when it comes to actually booking an hotel, only 1 in 6 people do it offline. This research study takes a look at this trend and discovers, among other findings, that hotel bookers are using fewer travel sites to make reservations than they have in the past, and that nearly the third of them look online ads during their research. Now, we have to realize some stuff, some very, very serious stuff. These are precise things that are happening every single moment at this moment inside on YouTube, on internet, on the web, on Google, all over the world. Half of all hotel researchers indicated that researching exclusively online is a habit for them. Families, friends, and colleagues were the most used offline sources to learn about hotels. This is what we see from studies. Half of hotel shoppers reported using search engines in their research. The online clickstream complete behavior indicated that the third hotel shoppers are referred by search to a hotel website, no matter if this is TripAdvisor or a different review site. The price was the leading reason for why consumers booked on a specific hotel website. Now, receiving rewards or different points was also a strong driver for them, and this is what is happening on a day-to-day basis, and we see it. Higher costs per night and longer stays increased the length of time consumers spend researching hotels online. This is another fact. The share of researchers using online sources also increased for longer hotel stays. This is also serious. Think of that. Nearly a third of hotel shoppers indicated viewing an online advertisement during their research process. So all of them, they see somewhere with specific techniques that we are using today, like remarketing and retargeting, we bring people back on our site. So if they leave and they don't leave their name and their email address, we bring them back with extensive use of remarketing and retargeting, something that we will discuss together, and I would like to learn you some very, very serious things. Booking online was the most dominant channel all the time. You have to realize that only 1 in 6 bookers indicated booking over the phone or in person. Hotel bookers, they are using fewer travel sites nowadays to conduct their research than even a year ago. I mean, see the levels, indicating more focused shopping activities inside on their behavior. Now, let's see a very specific case that had to do with a group, a specific group of hotels. That it is the Mantra Group. So when the Hotel Mantra Group wanted to show off their new brand ambassador, tennis champ, Pat Rafter, they chose an integrated marketing campaign that they did with YouTube as the central platform. That was the central platform for this campaign. After a successful launch with a one-day page, if I remember, it was a one-day page over. Yeah, it was a complete page takeover. Mantra promoted 2 YouTube commercials that simultaneously ran on TV. Now, the campaign's results were impressive. To say, at least they had been really impressive. A record number of about 28,000 visitors clicked through to the Mantra website after watching the videos on YouTube, while online bookings increased by 30%. This is staggering. This is very serious. And if you think that more and more people these days are watching video online and cutting the cord from TV altogether, which is a fact, you have to know that these guys also, they are called the light TV viewers, as Google also says, and they are valuable audience. They are young, they are well educated, they are affluent and more influential than the general population, and about 20% of them they don't even subscribe on a cable TV. They deny to subscribe on a cable TV. Cross-media studies that took place with Nielsen demonstrated clearly that online ads deliver more reach and frequency to this audience than TV can do alone. Now, when we see all this, we see that video is the future, for sure. We see also that more and more hotels, they present multimedia content online, and that every video that is coming up, it catches the eye immediately. So when you are on the front page, think of it, when you are on the front page and you find a YouTube video in front of the Google SERPs, the search engine rankings, the first 10 results, or wherever, doesn't catch your eye? Of course it does. Now, we will see together now what we managed to achieve after 24 hours for a very serious hotel group, for a specific unit of this group, and this located very, very close to Montreal airport in Canada. So let's go inside to see what we achieved in 24 hours time, even less. Normally we achieved it in 15 hours, in the first 15 hours, but we had been on the second page. Okay, here we go. We are on google.com. We have signed out, and we want to find the best business hotel in Montreal. Montreal, sorry. So we have we have 43.6 million results, and we arrived to have the 11th position. It plays up and down. It was 1 day ago, the broadcast, as you can see. And you can see the rest of the result that we had to pass. That was really a very, very big amount of pages listed by Google. We can also search to find the top business hotel in Montreal. Okay, this is the front page, and again here we have our result directly, 39.4 million results. Our case, you see, everything is changing. Even if you place one small M sometimes, this could bring really a difference. There is the difference. So we are on the front page. Okay, this video is gonna go even much higher normally, and the reason why is because It is very, very well optimized. It has a very, very nice content inside. And yeah, it is, if we open a new tab, not here, okay, let's see what time it is at this moment, what time it is. You see, Google is very clever. What time it is in Nuremberg. Voila. It is 6:53 a.m. Saturday the 15th 2013, as you can see. And also we have time and date. Yeah, this is really beautiful, the time and date. Exactly, as you can see, it is 6:54 in the morning. So within 24 hours we achieved to bring Hilton in Montreal airport on the top listings of Google search. 42,100,000 results now, and we have the position number 10. It's 1 day ago. Normally we achieve this in 15 hours, but as the time passed, it was 15 hours ago, it was on the second page, now it is on the front page, and it goes all the time, we think, better and better. And we can search the top business hotel in Montreal, same way. Okay, here we are not on the front page, and we are immediately up on the second. But if we search, for example, let's say again, best business hotel Montreal, okay, we are on the front page. Something very serious to see, it is that if you search on videos, we have 235,000 results on videos all over the world concerning best business hotel in Montreal. And we received also, this is an accolade, as we say. This is not placed by us, the YouTube that you see over here. It's placed directly by Google, and it is placed in some videos. As you see, the rest of the videos, they don't have it, because they didn't merit that for the moment. And at the same moment, if we make a cut and paste and we go to youtube.com, and you can see here is the youtube.de that is coming on the up part, and we search. Exactly, 8,620 results, and we have the number one position. It is great. And you see, it's written 5 views, but again, it updates all the time. So if we click on that, we have 20 views, and yeah. Very nice for Hilton. And in order not to spend your time, you will see it's a simple video. And again, over here, okay, if we search, let's say, we are very curious to see what is happening in Canada, although we cannot see the exact results of Canada. They can see it in Canada much better than we can see it here. Things are completely different as Google is changing. 43.7 million results, you see now. And in Canada at this moment we are not on the top position, although it is very interesting because this business is interested, as they are in the airport, to bring people from abroad directly in their hotel at the moment that they land in the Dorval airport of Montreal. Very nice, and as you see, here is the new style of hotels in Montreal on Google that is coming directly as a sponsored result, and this is the new business style, I would rather say, of Google Plus in cooperation with google.com/hotels. Did you know that? Here we have a hotel finder, and as you see, Google have their own hotel finder by now on. You can choose the dates that you want, you can put the destinations inside that you want, and you can be immediately with results like this. For example, I don't believe that it will work here, of course, because it's a hotel finder. Best hotel, best business hotel. Montreal, and we would like to go from, let's say, from the 16th to the 22nd, and it loads automatically hotels. Isn't that amazing? You have to see also the new Google Maps. It's really amazing. If you see the new Google Maps that they came now, it's stunning what you can achieve. And this is not exactly the new style. It's a brand new style that is coming in some days by now. Okay, so again, what time is in Nuremberg, Germany? It is 7 a.m. and as you see, it took us 24 hours in order to succeed having one beautiful hotel in the top positions of Google. And as you can see, here is the video 1 day ago, and we would like to teach you the way that you can bring videos up on the top positions like this. If you are interested for that, you have to leave your name and your email address, and we will send you the first free report, or you can contact directly together with us from our channel directly with Social Media ORM or christosmargetis.com. So, thank you very much for your time. It's a great result. We have to announce it to the directors and the owners of the hotel. They will be very, very happy. And I will be also very happy to have an opportunity together to show you exactly how you can use correct video marketing, not only for hotels, for anything you can imagine. You can bring anything that you want, even if you have the most strong competition that you can imagine. Thank you very much again. Christos Margetis. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your day wherever you are.
As a business owner, you probably know the internet has changed the way we buy. 90% of consumers search online before they make a purchase. They research products, services, and brands. And they listen to what others say before they make a choice. Do you know what people are saying about your business? All it takes is a bad review or comment, and your reputation could be going up in flames. Even if you're not listening to the online conversation, your customers, prospects, and even your competitors are. A reputation management company can be your eyes and ears across the whole internet. We can implement a proven strategy to positively promote your brand and find damaging information before it impacts your business. Don't let others shape your online reputation. Take control. Call or email us today